Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about types of connections under the topic data communication and computer networks. Network is a two or more devices connected through links. Link is communication pathway transferring data from one device to another. Now you can see this example. Here one computer is there, it is connected to three other computers. So network is connection of devices to one another. In this example, devices are computers. So these lines which you can see are the links which provides the communication pathway between all the computers. So link can be imagined as a line drawn between 2 points. Like these 2 points you can connect using the line. So this line is called as link. This point is you can consider as one device, and second point is also considered as another device. So two devices, device 1 and 2, you can connect using the link like this. So you can imagine the link as the line drawn between 2 points. During communication, two devices must be connected to same link at the same time. So there are two types of link connections, point to point and multi-point. So first we'll see point to point link connection. It is a dedicated link between two devices. Entire link capacity is reserved for transmission between those two devices only. Mostly use actual length of wire to connect two ends. Other point-to-point connection uses microwave or satellite links. So in this example, these two computers are connected using dedicated link between them. So this white line which you can see is a dedicated link between these two computers. And this link capacity is entirely reserved for these two computers only. No other device can use this link. So that's why it is called as dedicated. Only two computers can use this particular link. So entire link capacity is reserved for transmission between these two devices only. And mostly actual length of the wire is used to connect two ends. So both the computers can be connected using full wire. So LAN wire is used to connect two computers. Other point-to-point connection uses microwave, radio waves, infrared waves or satellite links. So connection, dedicated link connection can be using wired or it can be wireless also. Now another example of point-to-point link is changing the television channels by infrared remote control. Now in this example you can see person is changing the channel using the remote control in his hand. So the communication between the remote control and the TV is done using infrared waves. And that is a point-to-point link. So between the TV and the remote, infrared waves are transferred. So infrared waves are called as point-to-point link connection between the remote and the TV. Next is multi-point link connection. In multi-point link, more than two devices share the single link. In point-to-point link, only two devices are used, and the dedicated link is shared between those two devices only. Whereas in multi-point link, more than two devices are used and they share a single link. So multi means multiple devices are used for sharing a single link. Now channel capacity is shared among multiple devices, either spatially or temporarily. So spatially shared connection are several devices using link simultaneously. All the devices will use the same link at the same time. So when the devices use the same link at the same time, they are called as spatially shared connection. And when you call it as a time shared connection, if users takes turn while using the link. For example, in this diagram, three computers are connected to main server computer. And this single link from the server computer is shared by all these three computers. Total devices in the communication are 4, in which one is a server device and other three are the local machines. So in time shared connection, first device will use the link. Once the first device is done with the data sharing, then second device will use the same link. After second device shares the data, third device will use the link. So they use the link in turn, not simultaneously. So when they use the link turn by turn, it is called as time shared connection. And when all the three systems are using the link at the same time, that time we call it as spatially shared connection. So example of multi-point link connection, you can take it as a college computer labs. All these computers in this lab are connected using multi-point link. So capacity of the link is shared between all the computer. So one link is used by all the computers. So this is called as multi-point link connection. Thank you.